What's up, guys? This is Spence2345, and I'm just here to update the Twitch Alerts tutorial. Now, when you launch it, when you first go to the Twitch Alerts website, twitchalerts.com, right there, yeah, you'll just click Launch Twitch Alerts. It'll bring you here. Click Connect with Twitch, and you'll have to authorize it, but I've already authorized it. So, and then there's the Payday program, which and I'm not really going to go into explaining right now. But, so, here's the dashboard, which shows you follow, subs, resubs, donations, stuff like that. You can pop it out by clicking this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, when you, like right here, click my donations, just doing that. It's gonna show each one individually, subscribers, here you set up your donation settings, or tip settings if you'd prefer to say tip instead. And then connect your PayPal there. Currency, it's got an ass load. I'd use US dollars. Detects the donation page currency automatically. I have the minimum amount set to 1, but you can set it from anywhere from like 1 to anything really. And then from there, suggested amount, like set that to 5. Whenever they click it, they'll see that. Easiest way for me to do this is to go to my personal Twitch. I'm just gonna go to my profile, and then from this one, yeah, this one is it. So right there it says $1, so somebody donates it to me. Can use all these emotes in the message there. But say you set it to 5 and then click saving, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. Actually, could I just ignore that beeping? That's my headset. So yeah, I could have just clicked there and it would have brought me to this website that I clicked on my Twitch profile. Can change the button color. So like if I were to do, like, let's just, for instance, save settings, and then I click that, just changes the color of the donate button. There's the donation memo, banner override, basically to override your banner image. Profanity filter, replace bad words with stars, happy words, hide messages with bad words, disable alerts containing bad words. You can have a standard bad word list. You can anonymize the names that have bad words, and then you can put custom bad words like it shows right there. Actually no, I should probably lower that back to a more reasonable number than 5 in my opinion. Wish list, you can set up a wish list, and there's a setup info video that they have for it themselves. If I remember, I'll link it down below. Donation goal, you just set a donation goal. Once you meet the donation goal, through clicking set, you can set it through clicking set donation goal, and once you get to, you can set the goal amount here, the title of it, which if you saw there, I can actually turn mine on real fast. Where is it? It's not showing up right now, but hang on. Yeah, mine's just not showing up right now for some reason. I probably messed it up, knowing me. But basically set the starting amount, goal amount, title of it, end after, random date. These are API settings, which, as far as like, they don't really matter, basically. It's just to connect apps to it. Like, I'll just regenerate a new API access token once I'm done recording this. The alert box, which this is the main thing that you're gonna be worrying about. It's what's gonna be doing this, 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 and if you have it enabled, I don't have it enabled. And if you have it enabled, this. That random ass number that it comes up with. So basically, for the alert settings, background color, just that I don't really see a point to that. You can set it up like this to where it'll have, if I remember to save. I have it set up with this one where the picture's above it. Meh. So from here you can, let's see, what can you do from here? God damn, I'm out of blank, drawing a blank. Oh yeah, that's right. So for your follow alerts, you can change, okay, that's where I was messing up. So basically that puts the picture behind it, that one puts the, this one puts the picture next to it. I'm gonna go back to the one I have. Now, basically, here you can change the animation. So, like, if you do bounce in, it will pop out, and then I have it set to fade out. So once that's done, it's going to fade away. Let's see, I had it just set to fade in. Now, this is the default message template where it says name is now following. So basically, if I were to follow you, for instance, it would say Spence2345 is now following. I could change the text animation. So that's bounce, that's pulse, rubber band, ta-da, my bad, ta-da, whatever, however you want to pronounce it, wave, wiggle, and wobble. I'm just gonna get it back to bounce. Now, whenever you want to change, okay, that's not it. Whenever you want to change the GIF or GIF file, however you want to pronounce it again, you can just click this, and if you have one saved to your file, all files, actually no, upload, you'd click upload an image, and then let's just, let's see, what's something I can use for an example. I'll just use the picture from when the screenshot I took when I got to DMG. Where is it? There we go. So I'm not an acceptable file. What file is acceptable? Browse the gallery. Okay, so these are the default ones it has. .gifs, .pngs, stuff like that. So here's so basically, wow, my computer's really not wanting to work with me right now. So if I go to images and then just let's drag DMG hype. Never mind, not gonna drag that one. Yeah, what's this image? I'll just upload an image. What's here? Can I use this one? Okay, so basically everything I have isn't working for some reason. There's probably like a tutorial for it that'll fix it, or somewhere that I'll find and fix. But these are all the default ones they have for images. These are all the sounds they have, which the one I have for my follows is Level Up. For tips, donations, I have that. Subscription alerts, I'm just gonna go real fast. It's pretty much the same things. Like I've just got everything to default on it. On the donation alerts, I've got it set to slide in, which slides in from the top, and then it slides back up. Eventually it'll slide back up. There we go. So basically you can do variations right here. Variation nickname, let's just off the top of my head. Donation amount is exactly. So now I could edit this to have a different picture. I could edit it to have a different audio file, stuff like that. And whenever somebody donates exactly that amount, it will do a completely different donation alert, basically. But so like test, edit variation. Let's just change the GIF because that's the easiest one to point out. So we're just gonna do taco, I guess, because food related. Munchies, I don't know. Save settings. Alright, so this is the, you can also enable text to speech here with all that. So here's the standard donation alert I have for any amount, and then here's, that actually looks appetizing as fuck. So yeah, here's all the font settings you can change, size, actual font weight, the color and the highlight color. Can change the message settings here to basically just change it up. Like if you set it to not allow Twitch emotes, the little box I showed you that with all the emotes will not be there. Stuff like that. I'm gonna re-enable that real fast. The donation goal, like I said, all this. The stream labels, from what I've gathered from it, you can use it to set like daily follows goals, daily sub goals, stuff like that. Like I've seen live streams use them and stuff like that. Donation ticker, it basically just goes across the screen with the donation ticker. Like recent donations. You can change the max amount, so like if I wanted it to be 5 instead of 10 donations it would show the 5 most recent. Chat box, that's kind of self-explanatory. It's for Twitch. So this is just some random thing that it's just loading in. And you can, whose sub icon is that? You can enable better Twitch TV emotes, stuff like that. And then let's see. hide messages after, hide common chat bots. You can enable that. Like, I would set it to like as neon green as possible so I could make chat see-through. Like, I would set it to that and then chroma key it out. Let's see. Other than, there's different themes. There's clean, which is this one, boxed, which is that one, Twitch, which makes it just look like standard Twitch chat. There's old school, which makes it look kind of pixelated, chunky, which makes it everything like bubble letters, and then custom CSS, which is a bunch of coding. If you know how to code stuff, you can change it yourself. Me personally, I would use clean because it just looks cleaner. The event list, now this is a brand new feature they have, where if somebody subs to you, somebody donates, you can set it to include follows, subs, donations, set the max anywhere from 1 to 10. I'd go somewhere around 4 for best pick. Carbon is that, chevrons is that, crisscross is that. Basically, it just changes how the patterns look. There's those, that. Basically, just gonna show them all off real fast. And then there's the custom one. Personally, I like this one because it scrolls up instead of scrolls down like the rest. And then you can change how it does it and everything like that. Now, let's just say I come into OBS over here, add CLR browser, event list, and then if OBS will let me, there we go, do that, and then let's see, where is it located right now? Let's say I wanted it. Alright, we're gonna get 4 going, and then we're gonna set it up. Ooh, they fade away with this one? I don't know how I feel about that. Animation speed. Yeah, I've found a reason to not like that one now. Fiber. Yeah, we'll go with, no, we'll just go with carb. No. One that doesn't look distracting would be the best. I guess stripes. So, like, as you can tell, I've got it set up to where you can see right about here on the main mouse cursor, not the duplicate ones, that there's a red outline. I got that just by clicking edit scene and then selecting the scene from the sources. Okay, so these events hide themselves after a few seconds, but other than that, standard events will stay. So we're just gonna spam that real fast, and then set it up properly, and then re-spam it. So basically that's how I would set it up for 4 events. I'm just gonna spam subscriptions. And then that's basically the gist of it. So yeah, let me know what you guys, if this helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/Spence2345, and I'm gonna be trying to get more into uploading videos to YouTube and live streaming more. See you later, guys.